Hey guys, I just got this Samsonite cabin luggage and I think it's quite okay value. So it's a four-wheel cabin luggage and this one is called Airea and the dimensions are here. It's 55 times 35 times 25 centimeters. So this is good for example, KLM. These are the exact measurements. But for example, on a Finnair flight, well, the last measurement should be only 23 centimeters for Finnair, but it's a kind of soft cabin package, so I did measure it, and I think it doesn't really exceed that 23 centimeters in the width. It has a TSA 007 lock, and the volume of the bag is 38 liters, or with the expandable part, I think it was listed at 41 liters. No, correct me here, it's 43 liters with the expansion part, and the weight is only 2.1 kilograms. That was one of the reasons I got a soft shell cabin luggage, because the weight is quite small. With the internals here, we have a smaller side for maybe some shirts or something like that. It does have a pocket here, which is nice, and then it has this larger size which has also these straps here, so quite a nice amount of space inside the case. And then you have a small bag here in the front where you could place something in. This is not a pocket, this is just some kind of a strap for decoration. Has also a small side pocket here which you can open up, and well, you could fit in something small here, maybe, well, like a water bottle would fit nicely, maybe an umbrella or something like that. The extendable handle here works quite nicely. It does do different lengths, so that's nice, but like it's a bit more flimsy than some of the larger Samsonite suitcases, which have a more sturdy handle. But of course this is a small cabin luggage suitcase, and some of the interior fabrics in here, they don't feel that high quality. A little bit hard to compare to other hand luggage items since I don't have any new ones at hand, but somehow I'm used to a bit better internal fabrics in the more expensive larger luggage sizes from Samsonite, so that's a small disappointment there. But thinking that this is one of the more affordable, less expensive luggage sizes or luggage types from Samsonite, I'm quite happy with the quality considering all of that. I'll leave a link down below in the description. If you're interested in the suitcase, you can check that out. And if the video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.